Hi, everybody. Welcome to Business 220, Principles of Management. I'm Helen, your instructor for this course. I believe I've had most of you in our Intro to Business course, so nothing I say here is going to be new except specific to this class. You will have an assignment due almost every week, so plan your time accordingly. Get your calendar set. Make sure there's time for assignments, of course, Learn-Its, readings, and Yellow Dig. It's going to be a busy 8 weeks, but we will get through it together and it'll be fun. We'll have interesting topics to discuss along the way. Our first live meeting will be on Tuesday, September 28th at either 8 a.m. or 6 p.m. Pacific time. And of course, I will send you a reminder before the live meeting, and I hope to see you all there. It's time to dig down and get through another class.